You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
Jen, still know what's going on with your knee.
I don't know, that's why I'm here.
Okay.
Actually, the heart, when I stand up,
Uh-huh.
I don't trust it. Like,
It's almost gonna buckle.
once the weight is adjusted, I don't feel it anymore, okay? If I'm walking upstairs, this one feels fine, and this one, I have to go like that. Or if I'm walking downstairs, I have to go like that. So I don't put a lot of pressure on it. Walking off a curb, feel like, oh, watch out when you put your foot down. And whoever thinks of that.
How much pain did you get?
It's been going on for 2 weeks, so it's probably out of 5 now because we've been working on it. It was a good 9 or 10. I was like, I'm not gonna walk again.
So let's have a seat now and try it again.
Okay.
Stand up.
Okay, let's do it again. Hold on.
But how many treatment you had with me for this?
None.
Okay, good.
See how I'm leaning to the right
Yep, you
because
compensate.
I don't feel like it's gonna hold me,
You
right?
said it's 5 or how much?
Yeah, good. It's been 2 weeks.
Let me know if you feel any pain. Is that painful?
No.
Just a hold or side shot. Is that painful? It's okay. How does this feel?
No, it feels just, I mean, it doesn't hurt because you're not quite right by where it would. You're underneath. So he goes, I know where I am. It's like, what did I do?
So it's just for the last 2 weeks.
It just happened one day. I got up and I said, I can't stand on my leg.
Okay, let's walk and come back and
Okay,
sit.
well, the walking part, it's the sitting. I need to sit in my car, go someplace, and then try to get out of the car and see if it's the same.
So sit in the car.
Okay, sit in the car. La-da-da-da-da.
0 to 10, how much pain? So what do you think about ASTR?
How can it be? Do it again.
Do it again?
really,
Why, you
look.
don't feel pain? Why
No,
do it
why
again?
not? Right.
Do you feel pain?
No.
It's gone.
It's gone. Can I walk up? Is there a little step thing? Can I go on that little step
Let's,
thing over
let's
here?
try the step
Sorry.
because we want to test it because
Right.
we're seeing the steps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't go to step class this weekend.
How's that? You lost it. Don't-
Okay, I'll show you where it is.
Uh-huh. Right there.
Okay.
I want to see 2
Right.
points.
Right there.
That's 1 point. Where's the other point? So right here and right here.
Right here. Let me go the other way. Wow. I can't believe it doesn't keep going down the stairs. We need 2 banisters.
Let me see. So it's up. That's where you feel.
Right. But I could go both ways before.
Let's face the camera. Where's the points? Those 2 points.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Is it painful?
No.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Definitely.
We're gonna have to cut some of this out. They're gonna be like, oh, this is a 10-minute video. People only have 45 seconds of attention span.
No, I think it's good. It's gonna be very short. Let's see. Is that painful? It's okay.
No, I mean, I feel it, but it's okay. It doesn't
I'm
hurt.
sure it's not painful.
No, no.
I'm just doing that here because I don't want to go to the set and just
Right.
take some time, just save time. Try up, go up. How much from 0 to 10?
Well, no, I don't feel it.
Okay.
So, a 0. Yeah, where'd it go? Wait, we're going back to where? I don't know. Yeah, I have to keep. We went backwards like that.
All right, try to sit to stand again.
No,
You don't feel it?
I don't feel it.
So let's get closer. So what do you think about ASTR? How long have we been working on this now?
10 minutes. Amazing.
All right.
I'm gonna sit down again just to show you that I'm right. Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.